Hello everyone, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to add a high score to your game. So in our game, you'll see we have a score variable here, and every time we click on the cat, the score variable goes up by 1. And when I press the green flag, the score resets to 0. So how do we add a high score? Let's click on make a variable, and make sure to check cloud variable. Cloud variable means that the score will be updated for every person playing the game. So that means you can have a high score with it. So let's call this variable high score. And let's press OK. So this is basically a global variable. And as you can see here, it can only support numbers and not letters. So what we want to do is show the high score variable on the screen. Maybe we'll put it on the right side of the screen, right here. Now we need to make sure that if the score is more than the high score, then we set the high score to the score. So over here, where we change score by 1 when the sprite is clicked, let's drag out if score is more than high score. Well, that means we got the high score. So let's set high score to score. Pretty simple. Okay, let's press the green flag. I'm going to click on the cat. You'll see score goes up by 1 and high score goes up by 1. So let's spam the cat. I'm going to get 50, a score of 50. There we go. Okay, so you can see I have the high score. Let's press the green flag. So you'll see the high score stays at 50 and the score stays at 0. If we go to the project page and we can click on see data and see all of the people who got the high score. So you could see Suli, I got a high score of 33. So it's sorted by most recent. Alright everyone, thanks for watching this short but informative tutorial where I showed you how to make a high score. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.